Once upon a time in the lush mountains of Jamaica, nestled deep within the Blue Mountains, there was an old legend whispered among villagers. They spoke of a mysterious creature called the Monkey Man, a strange being said to be half monkey, half man, that roamed the dense jungle at twilight. One evening, a young scientist named Mr. Stone, fascinated by local myths, decided to explore the legend. Equipped with his camera and a portable scanner, he ventured into the forest just as the sun dipped below the horizon. As he moved silently through the thick foliage, he noticed strange anomalies in his scanner, glowing readings that defied natural explanation. Suddenly, a shadow darted between the trees, a creature with the muscular build of a man, but covered in coarse, dark fur like a monkey. Its glowing eyes shimmered with an unnatural light, and it moved with uncanny agility, almost faster than the eye could follow. Mr. Stone froze, realizing this was no ordinary animal. The creature approached cautiously, and to Mr. Stone's astonishment, it emitted a low, melodic chattering, almost like a language. As he recorded, he noticed strange symbols flickering across his device's screen. Symbols that seemed to pulse with a strange energy, as if the creature itself was connected to some ancient, otherworldly technology buried beneath the jungle. Suddenly, the creature let out a strange cry and vanished into the shadows. Mr. Stone's scanner then detected a faint, shimmering portal where the creature had stood, an interdimensional rift, hinting that this being was not entirely of this world. It was a guardian, perhaps a remnant of an experiment gone wrong, a creature caught between dimensions, blending primal instincts with a touch of alien science. As dawn approached, Mr. Stone returned to town, his mind racing with questions. Was this creature a result of secret Jamaican scientific experiments with extraterrestrial technology? Or perhaps a guardian of the jungle, mutated by ancient energies? One thing was certain, some mysteries in the Blue Mountains had just begun to reveal themselves, bridging the worlds of science, myth, and the paranormal. And from that day on, the legend of the Monkey Man grew, now with whispers of a creature that was part monkey, part man, and entirely a product of the universe's strange, unexplored realms.